Hello everyone. So first of all, happy Vijayadashmi to all. So I'm just going to tell you today that how breakouts happen in the mask and how we need to prevent it. Okay, because that's the need of the hour right now. Because we have to wear mask for a very longer period of duration. Okay, so to start with it, I'll let you know how a breakout happens. Acne happens so when pores get clogged due to oil, dust, dirt, bacteria. Due to several reasons, it happens. So the medical term which has been given to mask acne is acne mechanica. Okay, and this is a skin condition which happens due to prolonged wear of mask, or it can happen also wearing facial PPE kit. Okay, so now when we wear mask, it what happens is that it imposes heat and friction, due to which in combination with the moist environment, our skin clogs, and due to clogging, that breakout happens, and we need to take care of that. Yeah, because there are a lot of skin condition which can happen due to this very reason, so we need to take care of it. So I'll tell you what all prevention basically which we need to take. So there are almost 7 to 8 prevention which we can take, and at least try to prevent it. So first would be wash your face first on priority before wearing mask. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to use a very mild cleanser or a foam cleanser to just remove the excess oil from your skin. Okay, so and you can also rinse it with lukewarm water. This will outrightly prevent dirt and oil from being trapped on the skin, so which will not lead to acne. Yeah, and the second one is applying a moisturizer. Very important. You do not have to keep your skin dry, you have to keep it hydrated and moisturized, so that it will act as a barrier between the mask and your face, so it will reduce friction automatically. You will benefit out of it. So keep it hydrated all the time. It will also prevent from red rashes. Okay, so one more thing is very important, that is good mask wearing hygiene, which we need to which we need to keep all the time. Very important. So now one more point is there, that you have to dish the makeup, especially on these area where we wear mask generally. Okay, so we have to just try to avoid it. You can apply a lip balm, that is absolutely fine, because you have to keep the area around your mouth hydrated. So for that you can use lip balm, but do not apply too much of makeup, because again it will clog the pores, and it will it will lead to some breakouts or skin rashes or any skin condition. So just try to avoid it for the time being. And take a fragrance free laundry soap. Okay, do not use more of fragrance once. Then also stay away from harsh products, medicated skincare products that contain benzoyl peroxide. It's very important to stay away from it, and also some which contains retinols. Okay, so these are the things which you need to take care, and well, obviously if you do it, it will be beneficial for you. So I thought it's very important nowadays, because every girl is wearing a mask, and it becomes a task nowadays to deal with it. So I thought of sharing it, a very informative video. Do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.